How to make iPhone look like Android. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is simply open the settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Since we all know that the iPhone's default web browser is Safari, so we need to change it to the Chrome. So now all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and tap on the apps option available there. Inside apps, scroll and tap on the Google Chrome. Also make sure that you have downloaded Google Chrome Google on your iPhone. Once in there, tap on the change default browser and set it to Chrome. Now, once you have done so, go back. Once again inside the settings, all you have to do is look for the general option available in there and tap on the general. Inside general, scroll and tap on the keyboard and dictionary. Inside keyboard, tap on the keyboards and all you have to do is change the keyboard to Google Gboard. If you have not downloaded Gboard yet to your device, then go back and tap on the App Store and search for the Gboard and simply make your keyboard as a Gboard. You can also use Android stock wallpapers like Samsung Piscol OnePlus to give the home lock screen an Android vibe. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.